Hi everyone, welcome to the Soul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for the zodiac sign Leos for the month of September 2021. It's a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Okay, so yeah, like that's the situation you are going through currently. Okay. Oh my God. 1 second, guys. You're going to be very practical, very much practical. From your mind you'll be taking decision, not from your heart. You're not going to be emotional at any cost. You have certain sort of guilts related to your past. Something happened in the past which you are dealing with and which you feel guilty about. That would not have happened in your life, and you're feeling guilty in the month of September. Okay, you are going through a lot of realizations about certain people, certain situations in this lifetime. Wow, amazing. You feel that there is a lack of trust and understanding into a situation. No one really understands you the way you should be. Okay, yes, your third eye chakra is opening. Your third eye chakra is opening in a major way. You're reaching to the next level of a spiritual path, which is very good. You are feeling sorrow, loneliness, sadness, pain, and there's a certain wish which is not coming true. Your third eye chakra is opening, Leos. Okay, even if it is already opened, you are reaching to the next potential level of a spiritual path. Okay, yes, uh, a lot of disappointments are there. I just feel that people around you are different, and there's a indifference going on within yourself and outside world. Okay, a lot of disappointments are there because there's lack of balance. Okay, completion, there's endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. Something is ending, a same pattern of living is ending. Some things which was stagnant for so long, that is ending. Few things are ending and new beginnings are going to happen in the month of after September. Okay, so in the month of September at least endings are there, which is very good. Okay, you have learned a lot, you have become more mature through your past experiences. Okay, which was not really good, but those were really happening due to the fact that you need to reach to the next level, next phase of your life, right? That's why universe makes all these problems and creates all these problems, so that your soul can grow, your soul can become more mature. Okay, yes, your third eye chakra is opening, definitely. Okay, your spiritual awakening is happening. Okay, you feel that there are a lot of delays happening, things are not working out into your favor because a lot of delays are happening. That might be a situation. Yes, you are being very confused, juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. Oh my God, wow. Yes, there is a lack of trust into a situation, very much lack of trust into a situation. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. You're thinking about family a lot right now, nowadays. Okay, you're thinking a lot about family things right now. There's a juggling between going on, confusion going on between head and heart. Heart is saying something else, head is something saying something else. Okay, you're ready to socialize with people now. This is the time where you will be starting socializing with people, at least in the month of September. Okay, yes, endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. Something is ending and something new is starting for you, at least in the month of September. Something is ending. Okay, you are reaching to a higher level, higher position of your happiness. You are moving towards happiness, like whatever stagnant energy, whatever stagnancy you had in the past. Okay, it is coming to an end and new beginnings are happening for you. Okay, which is very good. So you'll start moving forward in life. Okay, yes, there is like a fearful energy, hidden truths, hidden secrets are there, disappointments are there. Okay, and also I just feel a lot of disappointments are there because whatever happened in the past, you are really disappointed with certain things in life, or you are, you were thinking about it somewhere. Okay, for some of you, past is going to come back, or a new energy will come back in your life. Okay, or someone will offer a cup of love to you. Okay, mostly past energy will come back to you. Past lover, past person, um, might be coming to you and offering something to you. Okay, so you have to make a decision related to something, whether you want to reconcile with that person or not. Okay, or whether you have to make certain decisions related to your personal life, Leos. Okay, yes, karmic cycles are ending, karmic situations are ending, pattern of the same things are ending, new beginnings are happening. Yes, you are concerned about certain situations in life, certain people in life. Okay, doubling between, you are thinking about how to earn from multiple sources, multiple incomes, multiple situations. You are thinking about your finances, building up your own finances. You will stay away from manipulative energy, negative energy, sneaky energy in the month of September. You are ready to move on from your past, guys. You'll be making a decision that if past is going to come back and he or she will be offering a cup of love to you, you are not going to accept it. You are ready to move forward. You're ready to let go of the things and move forward in life. That will be your decision. Okay, and if you take it, that will be really fruitful for you, because that will end a karmic cycle between you and a person you were dealing with. You are going to analyze a lot of things into a situation. Overthinking will be a lot when it comes to a September month. Analyzing and a lot of thinking capacity will be there. Okay, you're going to have a lot of strength. Everything you have experienced in life has made you strong and courageous. Perfect. Flowers. Working with flowers opens your heart and brings blessings to others through your life purpose. Wow. Spending time with flowers, which will be really good. Speaker. The life purpose involves your skills of oration. Some of you might think, or some of you might become a motivational speaker, a speaker, a vlogger, a blogger. It can be anything. Okay, but something related to oration or speaking. Yes, you need a career change. You are embarking upon a career that brings the joy and abundance you deserve and desire. And some of you, if you are thinking to change your career, or if your career is already good, you are reaching to the next level of your career. Okay, might be expanding something, working towards the cracking more deals. Okay, it can be reaching to the next level of your career. Okay, so yeah, which is good. Okay, travel. Well, your life purpose involves traveling. You might travel somewhere, or you might explore somewhere, or you might, some of you might have a business of traveling, okay, or a profession in traveling, okay. What is your life purpose saying? You love reading. This is the love reading. You will have a heart to heart conversation. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. If you're dating someone, then you need to discuss, and you need to have a heart to heart communication with your person, Leos. Okay, some of you might enjoy a holiday with your partner. Enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. Some of you need a vacation in the month of September, guys. Okay, and you might be, for all the people who are single and who are really just starting with the relationship, they need to get to know each other. As you reveal your innermost self to each other, your bond deepens. Okay, so yes, start knowing. You are just in the dating phase, which is very good. For others of you, new love is entering. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. Okay, wow, there's someone new is coming in your life. Okay, yes. Okay, there's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. Some of you are in separation, and I think um, you are going to end this connection, or someone is going to end this connection, because there is not enough love left into a situation who are in separation. People who are already married and separated, or the people who are already was in a relationship and are in a separation and are dealing with a karmic connection. If you are dealing with a karmic connection, then things are coming to an end. Okay, karmic cycles are ending, karmic connections are ending, which is way too good, because once karmic connections comes to an end, then things starts realigning with the new person, which is your twin flame either or a soulmate. Okay, so yeah. So guys, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Guys, bye bye, take care.